In today's video, you are going to see the second visit and progress of a client you have been begging to see. His first visit has over 700,000 views, and you aren't going to believe his progress. You will see lots of great cleaning and relax to the natural sounds of the pedicure water and tools. So stay tuned. I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures. If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video. Come out of there. Today I get off early. Today I'm getting off at 5. I'm so excited. I'm going to the gym.
All that bad skin.
Sorry.
Okay.
Slip.
Probably put some more stuff on it, loosen it up.
Yep. I'm gonna file it off. But that nail mycosis solution, it helps that stuff not stick.
And Sundays. Wednesdays and Sundays are closed. Usually 1 to 10. And then every other now, either 9 to 6 or 9 to 5:30.
That's great. Yesterday I came in at 7:45 and I left at 7:15 p.m. I'm gonna turn your toes just out a little bit, good. You're so tall. You have any Thanksgiving Day plans?
I eat. That's the only time I'm doing the day I eat. So between 8 p.m. and noon, all I drink is water. And
I drink coffee.
Oh, yeah.
That's my meal.
Mm-hmm.
The gym's finally open, so I started going back to the gym.
I was at work when it was quarantine time. Because I work on Depot. We're considered an essential retailer.
Okay.
So we stayed open.
That's great.
And I tell you, restaurants that was open, stayed open, we were the biggest customers.
Yes. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that there were 70% of the population was never quarantined. They got to work because they were essential, even daycares and restaurants and
Some daycares was closed down.
right, but not all of them because they had to care for the essential workers'
Right.
children.
and you have to get that off, or the moisture that can seep into your nail plate, because your nail plate's porous, it can't evaporate. And when it can't evaporate and the toenail stays kind of dampish, that's when bacteria can grow. And
Gotcha.
some people who, you know, have really sticky skin, their skin grows like halfway up their nail, and they don't really realize that it's on there. All right, straighten your leg out.
It would take us to like end of November, no December to put money up for Christmas shopping. Now we're in a better position now to start early, so I say let's take advantage of it.
Yeah.
By little that we can, because it's gonna be our tooth and nail trying to find stuff living there today.
Right.
For the month, so I'm getting them right now.
Come on, big toes.
Clip them down low as you can get them. I like them nice and low.
All right, straight.
That's what that's the nail coming up at. Look like the nail's coming up a little bit on that side.
Here?
Yeah.
Well, there's stuff stuck underneath.
Okay.
So we got to get that compacted material out. So when the nail grows, it can reattach to the nail bed right there.
But I can tell it's starting to attach.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's going to be probably like next time I'll be able to trim off the rest of this. And then there won't be anything for anything to get stuck under, compacted underneath. Yep. It'll be all good. How's that feel?
It feels good.
Weird, huh?
It feels good to me.
It's like scratching a spot you can't itch. tell me if this starts to get hot.
Okay.
Looks good. Can't wait to see it next time.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.